Now, the last two selectors that we're going to be covering are going to be querySelector and querySelectorAll, and they are going to be the most powerful, and therefore I can guarantee you that they're going to be your most favorite one. So the query the result has a background color of blue. Again, we technically could have done this with a get element ID. However, in our case, I'll show you in a second why this is way more powerful, because we can write our CSS over here. Now, the next one I would want to show you is that once we're working with a query selector, what's happening is it is going to return the first selection that comes back. So let's say in our case, we have three classes of special. So you would think that just because I'm using a query selector, and if I place a class over here, I should be getting all of them, since I can have multiple all classes, we would need to use querySelectorAll. However, before we switch to querySelectorAll, I just want to show you one last thing, just to hit the point that we can use any kind of CSS selection. So in this case, remember this class over here of last. Now I can go back over here and just use a query selector for last, or I can just do a CSS selection. So let me have it as a const. Let's name it last item over here, and then we'll have a document, and we'll have it as a reasons why these selectors are so powerful and so useful. So therefore, you're going to be using them a lot.